I have Echo Backpack Blower model having starting issue. I left gas from last fall. I did the following to troubleshoot.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shutoff valve open and the fuel clean?
Replace spark plug, clean the carburetor, check the recoil, clean the spark plug arrestor. Yes, I have fuel in the tank. I also tried the starting fluid, it started and shut off after a while. I cleaned carburetor thrice.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yeah, if possible. I like fixing it myself.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The carburetor itself costs $50. I don't want to spend on it, if the expert deems useless.
Hi, I'm Wayne. I will be assisting you with this issue today. Your issue is in the carb as plug jet. Remove the carb, take apart and boil in a pot of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, air dry and assemble. Guarantee this will work. I hope this helps you, Wayne. My goal is to give you the best experience possible. I hope that I have earned a 5-star rating found at the top of the screen before you leave today. If you need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know. Morning, just following up with you. Did my answer help you, Wayne?
Not really. Cleaned the carburetor in and out with boiling hot water. Blower did not start. Primed it several times, tried with full throttling. Used starter fluid, it started and immediately stopped.
Hi, thank you for the response. You cannot clean with hot water. Need to put it into a pot and boil for 10 to 15 minutes, Wayne.
I immersed it in boiling water and ensured that all pores are clean. Dried with air blower, the one for inflating bed etc., and checked that the passages are open.
Hi, so did you boil it out 10 to 15 minutes, Wayne?
I did. Also verified that there are no cracks in primer bulb. Primer is getting fuel but only half though. Not sure whether this is okay. I removed fuel filter just to rule out any filter related issues.
Hi, well, the jet is very plugged. I suggest replacing the carb, Wayne.
Any better place to buy carb, and do they allow refund if replaced carb won't fix the problem?
High carb is not refundable unless it is the wrong style, Wayne. Hi, this is the lowest price I can find on your carb. Click here, Wayne.
Thanks, Wayne. I ordered carb from Repair Clinic. They sent me the wrong part. I should receive the right one in a day or two. Will reply you of my experience after attaching the new card.
Okay, thank you, Wayne.
At last fitted the new carb and jump-started it with starter fluid. Blower working like a charm. Are there any other preventive maintenance during winter apart from emptying the gas tank?
Hi, I do not believe in emptying gas. All my yard machines, get safe foam 2 ounces and stable 2 ounces, run 3 to 5 minutes, you're set for winter, Wayne.
Cool. Thanks for the tip.
Welcome, Way.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.